After logging into Southeast Community College Student Planning homepage, view your timeline and schedule by selecting the Plan and Schedule option from the drop-down menu, or click the Plan Your Degree and Register for Classes tile. The Schedule view displays a weekly calendar by term. Move between terms using the side arrows. Registered or completed courses will display in green. Planned courses will display in yellow. Online courses will display at the bottom of the schedule. This view is where you will register for planned courses when the registration period opens for each term. Find additional information on planning courses and registering for courses in additional tutorials. Select the Timeline view to display all terms in chronological order with a listing of all courses taken during each term. Use the side arrows to move the timeline display. Courses from past terms will display with the final grade achieved in the course. A check mark will display for non-graded courses. In the term labeled as non-term courses, you can view any courses transferred into Southeast Community College from other institutions or course placement achieved during admissions.